Assalamu alaikum, myself Azad from Review Junkie. How are you guys doing today? Guys, today's video is Kaaf by Ahmed Maghrabi, and as you know, it's a summer perfume. Unfortunately, I got my hands recently on this one, on this beauty, I would say. I would say that this perfume got me shocked while on the lasting part, the projection and the lasting part. This perfume lasted on my skin easily 7+ hours. Beside that, this perfume have a brilliant note of watermelon and Sicilian orange. If you're looking to buy a best summer perfume in a budget with a long lasting and beast projection, definitely this perfume is for you. Kaaf by Ahmed Maghrabi. Soon the entire review will be on my channel. Go check it out. Azad signing off.